Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders has delivered the first P-15B stealth-guided missile destroyer to the Indian Navy, and has also released the first images of the destroyer. Russia's Northern Design Bureau had worked with Indian Navy designers as an external design consultant to help reduce the size of the design's superstructure, and the 7,300-ton P-15B class destroyer is powered by 4 Ukrainian-made gas turbine engines, and around 65% of components are domestically designed and produced. The P-15B destroyers are packed with an array of state-of-the-art weapons and sensors, including multifunctional surveillance radar systems, BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles from its 2 8-cell vertical launch systems, Barak 8 Indo-Israeli surface-to-air missiles, 76mm Auto Melara super rapid gun, 4 fully automated Russian AK-630 close-in weapon systems, twin-tube torpedo launchers, RBU 6000 rocket launchers, and the MF-STAR multifunction surveillance threat alert radar, and it can also carry 2 MH-60 Seahawk helicopters. The advanced self-protection jamming pod developed by DRDO's Defense Avionics Research Establishment has completed its development and qualification, and 8 prototypes have been manufactured with the local industry partners that included Prasitech Private Limited, Astra Microwave, Mistral Solutions and Alpha Design Technologies. The 8 prototypes will soon start final rounds of flight testing on Su-30 aircraft, and will provide airborne electronic attack capabilities to disrupt, deny and degrade enemy air defense and ground communication systems. The advanced self-protection jamming pod will be used on board the Su-30 and MiG-29 UPG fleet, while the DRDO is also working on a light advanced self-protection jamming pod for the Tejas Mark 1A program. 2 private sector firms, Alpha Design Technologies and Thra Interactive Private Limited, have passed the technical evaluation for the design and development of swarm drones for kinetic strikes by the Simulator Development Division of the Indian Army, and now both the companies have placed the financial bids for the project. For the design and development of Microcopter drone, 3 private sector firms have passed the technical evaluation, and all 3 vendors have placed the financial bids. For the drone-mounted anti-radar jammer system for rotary wing swarm drones project, the 2 companies Alpha Design Technologies and Anchor Research Labs have passed the technical evaluation, and these EW systems will weigh around 5 kilograms, and will use an independent rechargeable power source. The Indian Law Ministry is looking at the relevant papers to lift the ban on the Italian defense firm Leonardo, that was banned due to the 2006 Augusta Westland scam for the purchase of 12 VVIP helicopters. Indian armed forces will benefit from the lifting of the ban, as it will enable the acquisition of the Black Shark torpedoes for the 6 Scorpion-class submarines of the Indian Navy. Even a partial lifting of the ban will help in getting spares for weapon systems and other equipment, and Leonardo plans to offer missiles, naval guns, unmanned underwater vehicles and other systems to India. The Chinese army has suddenly stopped using its BEIDOU navigation system, and this move comes at a time when India has reinforced its long-range surveillance radar systems, UAVs and night vision capabilities, and is being viewed as an effort by China to hide its activities along the border areas with India. India is all set to build its first deep-sea high-tech research vessel at a cost of about 1,200 crores, and this new vessel will conduct survey and exploration of resources, and would feature radar and seismic components to study characteristics of the seabed. The shipyard will be finalized by March 2022, and the ship is expected to be completed by 3 years from the date of placing the order.
Omar dropped it.